G'day guys, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought this time we will do a video on a iPhone 7 that has, I'd say it's the audio IC problem. So we're just going to tear this down and fix this problem. This phone, when it has this problem, it'll just sit there like that doing nothing. This one doesn't even reboot or anything, it just sits there doing it. So we're going to pull it apart and show you how to fix it. Sweet. So we are back, guys, and we have our iPhone 7 motherboard pulled apart. So we are ready to do our audio IC. So we're just going to give it a little bit of heat to start with. So a little bit of heat just to remove the sticker. A little bit of gentle heat, just remove that sticker. So hopefully we can reuse the sticker. Okay, so let's put you onto here and you can see everything. So I normally come along here like this. And pull that apart. So let's have a look. Let's see if we can get this microphone. So there's microscope in check. Happy. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Nope, that's not what I'm seeing. So let's have a look. Beautiful. Haven't done a video for a while, so alright. So that's our audio IC there. And our PMIC for our baseband is here. And obviously the power management chip is here as well. So we're after this one here. And here's our little trace that breaks along here. So let's pull that off and see what we're up against. our Apple logo, which is what we had before. But before, it wouldn't go past the Apple logo. There's Mr. Sharky. There's our second boot, which is good, promising. Didn't do that before. Come on, Apple. Sometimes when I've done these, I've needed to restore them for them to work again. So yeah, this one doesn't look like it's going to go past. So let's try a restore and see if it goes past. Actually, it just did it just log into 3U Tools? Let's have a look. Well, initiated iTunes. I'm thinking this just needs a restore. So let's restore it. Go on Flash. Oh, we have to update the next one. Let's cancel that, and let's update through iTunes. Update. So it's going to want to download. So I'll probably end up. I'll pause this bit and then come back once we've got the update. Alright, so we're back again. We're just running 3U Tools now. So we'll see what we get. So you guys can see what I'm seeing. It's just extracting the firmware. And I hope this is what it needs. Otherwise, we'll have to figure out what else it could be. So we're just setting up to do the NAND restore at the moment. So this is all to do with NAND. It's going to hopefully keep the information that it had prior, and then write it back. So it does take a little bit longer than normal, but as long as it works, that's all that matters. There we go, it's creating the file system for the NAND. So usually if you have a NAND problem, it won't actually get to this stage. It'll die before that. Before all these commands come up, it'll die at say like 19 to 20%. And now you can see it's writing the file system. It's writing all the necessary files for it to boot up. And yeah, I hope the audio IC does the trick. If not, we might have to pull the PMIC for the baseband off and give that a reball and see what happens with that. Unfortunately, with the iPhone 7 at the moment, no one actually really knows what's going on. So, you know, we're having a pretty, well, we've seen a few tears on the traces on the iPhone 7 audio IC, but and also the baseband. You know, people were saying, but this baseband's quite far away compared to, I think from memory, from the international models. You know, from us, they are a lot closer to the SIM card tray. So we will see. Okay, I'm just going to put you on mute for a second, and I'm going to make a coffee while this does this. Okay, so it's gone through and done a full flash. So what I'd like to do now is try and get a card in it to automatically. Actually, it probably won't need automatically activating. I wouldn't think, because it was just updating the file system. But we will have a look. So let's just cross fingers. Let's just cross fingers that so it's actually got the line at the moment. Actually find it hard to see. Doing its thing. So it's about halfway there. See it on that angle. So painful. And yet, if it works, I'll be a happy chappy. This will be the second one that needed an update after audio IC. But it's not guaranteed either. It could be the baseband PMIC, could be anything on this motherboard. The funny thing is it gives you a clean flash, so there must be something disconnected that's not allowing it to boot. I might also try another screen with the home button and see if that works. Nearly there. I will pause this and we'll come back. because it's just sitting there. Look at this, people. Look what just came up. We have a working iPhone again. Wow. That's crazy. Have I left it on this? No, it's me. There we are. So, I don't want to show too much pictures, but there you go. Now they've got all their data on there. All their pictures are coming up. Let's check audio IC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So audio IC is working. Proximity sensor. Play it back. Oh well. It's all good. It's all working. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. I'm really happy because these guys have got their data back. You know, and that's the thing. If you take it to the wrong person to do this, you won't get your data back. You know, so that's really good. I'm happy, and they're going to be happy too. So that's an audio IC on a iPhone 7. Now a lot of yous will do that repair and then think it's not working still, and so that's the second one I've done where I've had to do an update and it works. I don't usually use iTunes. The reason I didn't use iTunes this time is because I couldn't get it back into restore mode. So 3D Tools gives you the option to do an update and keep data, and that's exactly what it did. And I'm stoked. So anyway, have a good day, do what you're doing, and I'll catch you later. See you guys.